Early reviews of Excel hailed it as Europe's first smart venue. That's because Excel is more than a destination in its own right, it's a window on the world.
The Excel.
Once upon a time in E16, where centuries of footprints tell a story of trade. A vision forged in belief. The belief that London would always draw the crowds. That a new home was needed. That when this industry comes together, lives are made better. So to all of you who build, break, relocate, launch, rebook, rebrand, who meet, exhibit, congregate, celebrate. Teams upon teams of talent and passion. This place was built for you. For your ideas, visions, and ambitions. And you filled it with imagination, with a beating heart, with people. 60 million and counting. To all of you who have shaped this journey so far, we offer 25 years of thanks. Every success has been shared. Every milestone made possible by you.